This is how I've been protecting my eyes from the sun. I am a fan of sunglasses. I love to wear sunglasses year round, regardless if it is summer or winter time. But today I'm going to be sharing with you my sunglasses collection. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Which one is your favorite? Without further ado, let's jump right into this try on of sunglasses that I have at home.
I wanna be the one who you believe in, your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives in the gold because it's sent from heaven. I wanna be the one who you believe in, your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives in the gold because it's sent from. She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, all the way you shine. Miss Independent, yeah. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you, I'll always have you. Mr. DJ, song on the replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Or dig up on the dance floor, wanting some more. Come, Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Ay, Mr. DJ, song on the replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Or dig up on the dance floor, wanting some more. Come, Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Ay, it's too late, and I can't wait for you to be gone. Cause I know about her, and I wonder how I bought all the lies. Said that you would treat me right, but you was just a waste of time. Just a waste of time.
Alright ladies, those are my sunglasses collection and I'm still going. Like if I see another one that I like and I can afford it, I am definitely going to purchase it. I'm obsessed with sunglasses. Which one of it is your favorite? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.